Okay, I'm playing this blocks mod. Wait, this is not what I wanted. Okay, I'm gonna put you there. What is this? Oh god! Oh my god, that is so loud, bro. Let's let's fight an Xbox. No, you did not think that. Is that Among Us? No, wait. No, this is too loud. Bro. Okay. Bro, why is she not dead? He's not dead because he is a boy. Yes, finally, bro. Wait, can I can? Okay. Let's try another one. Ooh, weapons. Wait, is that a portal gun? Okay. Let's go. Wait, gosh, that is so loud, bro. Okay. Close. Let's try it there. And there. Wait, bro. Wait, I gotta try this, bro. No, not that. Ooh, that is a good one. But wait, let me close the portals. I'm gonna go this underwater, and put it there. Wait, where's the button? Oh, the portal. No, why? No. Whoa, yes, this is so cool. It's like the water. It's not suspicious. But where's what the? Oh my gosh, I can go out the map. Yes. Oh, I'm outside the map, bro. Okay, wait. Okay. So I can go out. Yes. That is a good idea, bro. Okay. Oh, what is that? Oh yeah. That's like throw away. Yes. Earlier. Where is the freaking portal? Yeah. Easy to find back. Yes. Can I enter this? Whoa, this is big, bro. Okay, this is good. Let's miss wheel. And B. Okay, I thought it was cut. Bro. No, make me a story, bro. Okay, I can't make a story because I don't have a story. When you are a girl, bro, you start swimming and you teleport somewhere and you see a box and you jump over and you can escape. Whee! Okay, that story sucks. Wait, is that a hole? Bro, this is a perfect hiding spot. Can you see me? Yeah, you can. What about upstairs, bro? Okay. Oh, we can do this. Wait, this is a fun idea, bro. No, why? Yes, yes. Like this, bro. Look, I'ma do this. Go. Bro. No! Why can't I? No. Wait. Oh, just do it. I have an idea, bro. Bros, just do it. Wait. Oh, I thought it's moving, bro. Bro, it's not working, bro. This sucks. And there's no car here. Bro. No, I forgot. Go. Attack him. Yes. Thank you, soldier. I'ma take you. What? What is that sound, bro? Okay, I'm gonna attack the SCP. Oh my gosh. That is the scariest thing I ever seen, bro. Bro, why is your hand like not in the part, bro? It's like falling apart. She dead? Oh no, please. Attack him. Bro, her hand! It's not combining. Okay. It's not attached to her body, bro. Maybe the sound is copyright, bro. Is she done? I'ma just kill her, bro. Wait, he is not killable? No, oh my gosh. That is scary, bro. What the? He just killed me. Is that my body? Yeah, Demo. My name. You, bro. Attack him. Attack him, bro. Attack him. Yes, he is gonna attack him, bro. Please don't be me. I'm scared of you. Okay. Hello, guys. Is she gonna move or not? Is she gonna attack that guy? Or attack me? Okay, I'm gonna stay away from her. Wait. Okay. Sorry guys if you're waiting. Oh my gosh! He killed the guy. He literally killed the guy. Oh my gosh. I can't move it. No. Okay, I move it. No, why? Oh guys. Let's run, bro. Let's run. We are gonna fight. Bro, fight him! You are not fighting him. Yes! Bro, you are not fighting him, bro. It's been like 10 minutes kami, bro. I'm a call some. Bro, seriously? I'ma just do this. I'ma kill this guy for not protecting me. Okay. Bye. I'm ready. Oh, here. Oh no, I want the hair. Oh no! Oh, so. Okay, that was scary. Oh gosh, look at the cloud. Oh my gosh. Wait, it looks like a cloud. Hmm, let me get a soda. It's like a chicharon. I'm a Filipino rice. Oh, okay. Okay, finish. We're now going to underground. Hmm. Okay. Maybe I'm done thing. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to. Okay, bye. I'm on my, and maybe I will make a part 2 of this.